What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm going to go over our friend Gala Games. It's dropped into our large wave 2 pullback zone. Currently sitting at 0.033, down 7% on the day. Sitting market cap at 225 million. 24-hour volume 194 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's take a look at Gala Games. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So it's been playing out as we predicted. We came up to the minimum target of our wave 2 pullback zone and we dropped, and now we've entered our wave 2, our large wave 2 pullback zone in between 0.021 and 0.031. So price can reverse at any time. However, if we are going to continue to follow this wave count, we're looking for a wave 3 of 3 with a target of 0.025. We've been talking about coming back down to 0.025. Since we were at 5 cents, nobody believed me. Very few. I was taking a lot of heat from keyboard warriors in my comment section. And as you can see, we're starting to make our way down to that price target. So what you could be looking at, the micro count, potentially wave 1, wave 2, come down, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to 0.025. Come down, complete the wave 3, see the wave 4, final wave 5 to complete the wave C in the 2 cent range before pushing up in a beautiful wave 3 that could take you all the way up to about 33 cents, 30 cents, depending on where we bottom. Now, if we were to break it below 0.021, then it's unlikely that this is a wave 2 pullback and the bottom may not be in. We could go lower. As of right now, I'm still bullish. I still think there's a good chance that the bottom is in. However, we have printed the bearish cross of the EMAs. And we are working our way down to the target of this head and shoulders, which is 0.027. So that's the really important support. As we've been mentioning here, the bearish divergences have fully played out, very, very close to reaching oversold as we predicted, and the money flow is almost back down to the bottom section. So even if we do see a little bit of a bounce here, I do think we'll see continuation down to the 2 cent range. And the key level to watch is 0.021. Now, I have added to my HODL position. If we come down to 2 cents, I'll look to add some more. But it's really important to look for that 5-wave move out of the wave 2 pullback zone, as that could give you more confirmation you are going to put in that wave 3. And you could still grab Gala up in the high 3s or the 4 cent range, depending on your risk tolerance. All right, gang, so that's basically it for this little update. In the short term, we are seeing a little bit of a bounce, so it may just be a little bit of a wave 2. Before seeing continuation to the downside, we would have to break above 0.036 to invalidate that. But as of right now, I do think we will see continuation down to the 2 cent range, as we've been predicting all the way from the top at 5 cents. We're looking for that ABC correction to bring us down to the 2 cent range, and so far that is playing out beautifully. We love to see it. All right, make sure to sign up to either Bybit or BitGet. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals, crypto news. Recently locked in juicy gains on 2 short trades, member profits, HODL all plays. As you can see, they're making some juicy gains. Sign up through the Patreon link, same price as a Netflix subscription. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All links in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.